Today, I'm showing you how to permanently delete your WeChat account. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WeChat and access Settings. Open the WeChat app and log into your account. Tap the Me tab at the bottom right corner, then select Settings. In Settings, find and tap Account Security. This opens your security management options. Step 3. Access WeChat Security Center. Look for WeChat Security Center and tap it. This is where you'll find Safety Tools options. Step 4. Request account cancellation. Scroll down and select Account Cancellation. You'll see the terms and conditions. Make sure to read these carefully before proceeding. Step 5. Confirm deletion. Tap the cancellation option and confirm your decision by agreeing to the important notice. Your account is now marked for deletion. Important things to know. Once you request deletion, all your data will be permanently removed. That includes contacts, group chats, messages, and favorites. However, you have a 60-day grace period. If you change your mind, simply log back in within those 60 days to cancel the deletion. After 60 days, your account and all data are gone forever and cannot be recovered. And that's it. Your WeChat account deletion request is complete. Remember, you have 60 days to change your mind.